If you want to set up an OTG connection with the Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, grab your USB-C adapter, your OTG adapter basically, right, to your USB-C. Grab your phone, locate your charging port, and insert the USB-C port inside of your OTG adapter. Now let's check whether it's working correctly. Open up Files application. Here you shall locate your, it's either gonna be external storage or mass device, as I have it named here, so it means it's all working correctly. So we can open it up, we can go through some files, and that's it. If your phone is not working correctly with your OTG adapter, you may tap on it, tap on the three dots. I'm sorry, not here, but you may tap, hold your finger here, and you may format it. Also, when you're taking off your OTG adapter, so swipe down from the top right corner and press eject. Now you can safely eject your OTG adapter, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.